Okay, we are live. Yep, there we go. Should stop. Yeah. 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 Oh god. Alright, we don't wanna, do 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 away. Let's go to our YouTube chat. There we go. My breath away.
In this video, you'll learn how to use the Content Manager to display repeating content on your site. This website uses a repeater to display a portfolio of interior designs. A repeater is a list of items that have the same design and layout, but different content, displayed in repeating segments we call containers. You'll find repeaters everywhere on the web, from a recipe collection to a list of news articles to a photo gallery. You can get more out of your repeater by making it dynamic. By connecting it to your Content Manager, your repeater can automatically display your content as your collection grows and changes, saving you lots of manual effort and time. Ready to get started? From the editor, go to any area on your website where you want to add a repeater to display your collection. Go to the Add panel, then Lists and Grids, and drag the repeater you like right onto the page. Now you can customize your repeater's layout and design, and remove anything you don't need. Once you've got the design you like, let's fill the repeater with content from your collection. If you don't have a collection yet, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Okay, click on the Connect to Data icon, and then on the Create Dataset button to link your repeater to your collection. Just choose
Still won't work.
the collection you want to link. Add a name for your dataset and click Create. You'll now have a menu listing all the components in each repeater container. Assign each component.
Let's see what. Oh, hold on. Yes, yes. This guy's got the same. This guy has the same. No, no, it's not. Bruh. I don't know what to do. I have no clue. And this guy, like, doesn't reply to anyone's comments at all. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Please tell me this is gonna work. Please tell me this works. Properties. I can't even save it. Select value. Boom. Oh my god.
Content status, because that's our reference field, so we want to connect that first.
But
And
how
then
the frick do
you
I
can see the
connect
connection's
it?
been made when it turns to green. And then
These ads are so cool.
Oh, sorry, we're closed.
Yes. Nice shot, nice baby, nice.
Okay.
Hello, darling. Aunt Helga. The pleasure is yours. Good at knitting, bad at building websites. Relax, darlings. Websites hosting
Why is it
domains.
so
I own
weird?
this. I own this. Happy jumpers. Websites hosting domains. Ionos.
when I exit the properties panel, we're going to connect our image, and we want our image to connect to liked content image, and we just simply click.
That doesn't make sense. Come on, please. None of this makes sense.
Any altering of data on this, it's just going to be reading through a number of items to display. I just put 1,000. You could put as many options as you want here, so as many likes as you want to display. Again, I just put 1,000. That number is completely and totally up to you, and then you're all set. After you do that, what you have to do is you actually have to link these items in the data in the repeater to your data set. So we're going to click this data button, and then you're going to change liked content. Okay, guys. So now we're going to connect it to our actual correct reference. So we want it connected to status, to text. So
Okay, hold on. I've probably done something wrong here. I'm not a freaking...
So all the like statuses, and that's what's going to be held. The owner is so it designates the correct owner to that in particular.
Oh my god, there is no freaking way. Would you look at that? It was right under my nose the whole freaking time. No way. No way, I do not believe that. Am I seriously this blind? I'm so blind. I'm actually so blind. Oh my god. I'm actually so blind. I'm actually blind. I'm blind. That is bullshit. That I'm actually blind. Oh my god. Content manager. I'm such a goddamn idiot. It was right under my nose the whole time. Right under my nose the whole time. There's no way. That was right under my goddamn nose the whole time. Oh my god, I'm so happy this is fixed. I mean, I hope it's going to be fixed. Anyways, properties. User statuses. There we go. Now if we save it, it should work. Connect data. Next data set. No, I still can't put it. Why? I can't. How does that make sense? Oh, that... What? Is it really going to stop me as well again? User statuses. Why can't I do it? I want to put this, but I can't. Oh my god, you've got to be serious right now. Oh my god. Again? Likes. Please.
Like, so whatever that logged in owner is whatever content is liked, and that's where that references comes into play. And we're just going to press add. So again, I'm going to delete this one because I've already done it right here for the liked content one. So that's the process of adding that. So now once we have our likes database set up, what we can do is we can then go into our user status. So what I did was I simply went in here to menu pages, then I went to member pages, and I just clicked add a new page, and I added likes. After I did that, I just simply brought this text in that said likes, and then I added another repeater like we have on our statuses page. And very simply, I just added a data set. To add a data set, I went to add, and then I went down to database, data set, click that, and then once I added the data set, I just double clicked it and changed the data set. So this is a key point here. So this data set needs to be connected to likes. So this is going to be our reference data set. So this is going to be connected to likes. I'm going to make the data set name likes data set. You can change that to whatever you'd like.
Come on. This is so annoying. Why? This is one person watching. I have no clue who that is, but
The mode is read only because there's not going to be any altering of data on this. It's just going to be reading through. And number of items to display, I just put 1,000. You could put as many options as you want here, so as many likes as you want to display. Again, I just put 1,000. That number is completely and totally up to you. And then you're all set. After you do that, what you have to do is you actually have to link these items in the data in the repeater to your data set. So we're going to click this data button, and then you're going to change liked content. Okay, guys. So now we're going to connect it to our actual correct reference. So we want it connected to status, the text. So we want the liked content status because that's our reference field. So we want to connect that first, and then you can see the connection's been made when it turns to green. And then I'm going to exit the properties panel. We're going to connect our image, and we want our image to connect to
this is a placeholder, by the way.
liked content image, and we just simply been made when it turns to green. And then I'm going to exit the properties panel. We're going to connect our image, and we want our image to connect to liked content image, and we just simply click image there because that's our reference field in the database. So we want that liked content, and we want it connected to the image. So now we got our likes page set and built out. It was very easy to do. You can see you just add the data set and make sure you make it the likes database that it's connected to, and then you just add these items, and they're all reference items. So these items are dynamic. They will change based off of what's been liked. So if nothing's been liked, nothing will be added or changed in here in my likes. But if you like something, it will be added and changed right here in my likes, and whatever you liked will be added in here. So once you have that done, and you have your my likes page built out, and you change the design and do all that to whatever you'd like it to be, we're going to go back to our user statuses dynamic page here.
Oh my god. Come on.
And now we're actually
Why is it showing this? I don't understand. Oh. That's the image. Right.
going to add the code for the page that makes the whole liking system happen. So we're going to open our page code handler down here at the bottom, and then you can see I've added the code in here, okay? This code can be found in the Wix Training Academy under code snippet. So go get your account on there or go log in if you
I think this one might have been it.
Today,
Here we go.
you haven't already. So we have import all the data here. So import Wix users from Wix users, import Wix data from Wix data, and import Wix location from Wix location. These are standards. We're importing all these from the members, from the data from the database, and from location, so it knows where to go.
Custom liking system.
Go next. But after that, you're going to see something. You're going to see SW, or $w.onReady. And then it says which users.current user logged in. This says that the current logged in user is going to see, in this case, like. Remember when we opened our properties panel and we named the ID for this unchecked, unliked image, like. That's the ID. So when the user's logged in, they're going to see. Like.show. They're going to see this. If they're not logged in, they're not going to see this liking option because the user has to be logged in order to like content. So if they're not logged in, this heart is going to disappear. There's not going to be anything there. If they are logged in, they're going to see this heart and they're going to be able to click it. So the next step of this says our function. So this is our actual function. In order to get this, again, you have to make sure, and just a pre-advisory here, you guys can name your IDs the same as I named them, so like, and then the other one was content like, and that way, and you can name your database the same and your database fields, so that way you don't have to. Change anything in the code, but if you do name this button something else, you have to change it here. So Mine is like, so it says like.show, and then again, it says like.hide if the user's not logged in, but that's my field ID. If yours is different, you have to make sure you have the corresponding one for your, in particular, like button there, and then when we get down here, this is our export function, so this is our on-click function. So when this open heart is clicked, what you have to do is, one, you have to make sure you go in here, you click this, and then over on your properties panel, you're going to see an on-click function. So if we go here, I'm going to just copy and paste the data from in here, and I'll show you how this is done. So if we go in here, we'll click our like button, and then we're going to see on click. You're going to want to click that little plus button, and then you're going to hit enter. When you do that, your function is then added to the code. After that, I'm just going to copy and paste the pre-existing code that I have back in here. We see a couple of things.
A what?
What you have to do is, one, you have to make sure you go in here, you click this, and then over on your properties panel, you're going to see an on-click function. So if we go here, I'm going to just copy and paste the data from in here, and I'll show you how this is done. So if we go in here, we'll click our like button, and then we're going to see on click. You're going to want to click that little plus button, and then you're going to hit enter. When you do that, your function is then added to the code. After that, I'm just going to copy and paste the pre-existing code that I have back in here.
Oh, right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Go in here.
Hello, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? This is going pretty well. Pretty well.
We'll click our like button, and then we're going to see on click. You're going to want to click that little plus button, and then you're going to hit enter. When you do that, your function is in
Like, click. Right. No. 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 Will there be an app purchases? In-app. It's not an app. It's not an app. Right, how I'm going to earn revenue from this is ads. I'm going to add ads to it. You can't buy anything unless I can think of, like, I don't know, something to do with, like, premium. So maybe you might be able to get something with premium. I don't know. And there is no app. There isn't going to be any app. If there is ever going to be an app, right, don't expect it coming now. Expect it to come in ages. I'm not telling, I can't tell anyone the URL, and even if you do see it, do not go to the site and post anything, please. Please don't. Don't go spamming, don't even post a single thing. Please don't. I will let you have the URL, but if you start putting stuff in, I swear to God if you do, you can ruin this whole thing. What will happen, right, it's hard to explain, but it will basically, if you add something, right, I don't know what I'm doing, right? So if you're adding something, right, it's hard to explain, just don't, please. I'm going to get confused and I'm not going to know what I'm doing. Please don't add anything. Only add anything when it's released. Here, the URL. please just ignore the fact that it says buystwitems.com. It's hard to explain, but here, it's in chat. You can click on it and it takes you straight there. You can upload a post, you can... Right, I'll let you try it once. Okay, I'll let you try it once. Because I just want to see if it works for other people. So if you log in or create... Well, you got to create an account, yeah. Create an account on the website and post one thing and then let me know when you've done it. I just want to know if it works for other people. Oh, never mind. What? What's it? How do I change that? It's hard to explain. It won't work. Don't change your profile picture. Right? Yeah, I know. No, buddy, right? When you go on here, right, you can't see your profile picture. You can add a profile picture, but you won't be able to see it. And when you add a post, your username doesn't show up. Just remember, I'm still making this. So when you put a post, right, I don't even know if it is you. It could be a random person in the stream that just does it and you hasn't even done it yet. And I'll be like, you've put 2 things. But actually, another person put something else, and then you put something. And I won't even know if it's you or not. So don't worry. I'm going to add things first. But just create a post, really quick. Oh no! It doesn't matter. Let's go copy the code again. The frick? The post button doesn't... Yes, it does. What you need to do is you need to add text. Text or anything, yeah? It works for me, look. I can't show it anyways, because I'm not going to keep spamming on my website. I don't want to spam or anything. It does work, because it definitely works for me. You clearly haven't put anything right. You do realise that there is fields that are required, right? The actual thing that the field that is required is the text field. Do I need to... Yes! Idiot! Of course you do. You can't put... Oh my god. Hold on, let me just test the website when I'm not logged in. to see if it actually doesn't let you post. Because if it doesn't, that's good. That's good, because if it's not letting you post without registering, that's good. That's really good. Okay, we're going to log out. Upload a post. Wait, it says login like when I do it. So, oh wait, hold on. Yeah, this is a placeholder profile picture. This right here is placeholder. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Let's post it. Yes, it doesn't work. Let's go. Let's go. It doesn't work. That's actually really good. Because people have to sign up. I don't know what to do about this placeholder image. I will change that soon. Just not yet. What the frick? The register now button is... Oh my god. Yes, it does. Click it again. Click it again. Go off of it. Not off of it, but like put your mouse off of it. And click back on it again. It does work. God, mate. I've tested everything. Shit does work. It definitely does work. I'm fine. Oh my god. Right, well, you haven't put a right email in. So you haven't put like an email in or something. Or like you haven't put a password in. You've done something wrong. If it's not working, you've done something wrong. I mean, it does work. I'm telling you right now, it works. I must put my email. Yeah! Obviously. Oh my god, you're so dumb.
Added to the code. After that, I'm just going to copy and paste the pre-existing code that I have back in here. We see a couple.
Must I put... Wait, did I just read that? Did I just read that or not? I don't know if I just read that, but yeah, you have to put your email and password in. I have no clue why you're having problems right now. Backspace. Please tell me this is gonna work.
Couple things.
I've just... The hell? Why are you putting my password in? Yeah, I accidentally showed that on stream, my password, and this guy spamming it in the stream. Oh my god, hold on stream. I'm gonna go change my password. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go change my password. It shouldn't take me long. Hold on a sec. Hold on. How do I remove this? Don't end. I'm not ending. Hold on a sec. I don't know who this person is. I think this guy might have been watching the stream as well.
Who this person?
Yeah, yeah, it said, I did get an email saying that there was someone trying to sign in. Okay, hold on. Okay, I've made it a black screen now, so you can't see it. Don't worry, I'm changing my password, and I'm putting two-factor authentication on. It was my fault, to be honest. I accidentally showed it in the stream, and I thought there was only one person watching, so, like, I thought, oh, there's only one person watching, like, I already put the stream on private anyways. But, hold on, I'm gonna go quickly do it right now, hold on. Hold on, be right back. Imagine if you did it. Don't worry. I'm changing it. Don't worry, I'm changing all my passwords. I'm changing my passwords for everything. Manage your Google account. Critical security alert. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Personal info. Space with live. Contact info. This guy must have been watching. Okay, I need to go add to my passwords as well. I have to go create. I have to think of a new password. Dashlane. Yeah, I've heard of it, but you have to pay for that, don't you? It's fine because I like save all my passwords in a notepad. Okay, I have to quickly enter. I have to quickly change this password now. You only pay for multiple. Oh, right. Okay, I've just created a new password. I have to be quick, really quick, because if there's another person that's got my password, I'm fricked. Because clearly there's this random guy that has just put my password in the whole stream. Literally has put my password in the stream. I also need to go delete that message before I'm effed. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I have to quickly change this password now. Hold on. I'm being as quick as I can. I could be fricked right now. Copy. Let's go to our notepad. All my passwords. Text document. Please load up. Please hurry up. Okay. Space Blade live password YouTube. I leak your password on. I'm changing it. So now it's nothing. I'm changing my passwords, and I'm gonna make sure that everyone that uses that same password, because we use this password like all the time. I'm gonna make sure that everyone changes their password. I'm gonna make sure this password is like never used. You're not gonna leak it. And don't think you're a hacker, right? Just because you've like looked at my live stream, managed to see it, which is I didn't think you would have been in the stream, but apparently it was. But like just because me who leaked my password, this is my fault, right? This is my fault. It's still your fault, but it's like my fault. It's my fault for leaking it. So don't even think you're a goddamn hacker just because you got my password. I'm changing all my passwords now. There we go. Next. Wrong. Oh no. Oh crap. I have to put in my old password. There we go. Oh my god. New password. There we go. This is a long password now. Change password, and I'm not going to show this on stream. It is a really hard password, and I'm enabling 2FA. So I would love to see you try, buddy. I'm going to enable 2FA after I've changed the main channel's password as well. Here we go, the other channel. Personal info, Space Blade, contact info, your profiles. Password, last change 8th of October. Password, yep. Click on the password. Let's go change your password too. Enter your password. I'm gonna use the same password as the Spaceblade Live one, because it is hard password this time. Next. Oh crap, I have to actually type my old password in. I'm changing all my passwords, and I'm gonna have to change my PlayStation password as well. Oh, how many other accounts am I gonna have to change? I mean, at least if I put 2FA on, I'm alright. Because if I put 2FA on, it doesn't matter. Right, hold on, I'll be right back. Right. I'm gonna be as quick as I can. But at least I've changed my password now on 2 of my accounts. My life would be ruined. Right, hello, welcome to the stream. My passwords just got leaked all over the internet, and I've changed it. Luckily, hold on, I'll be right back. I've really got to sort out this password issue. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I need to act as quick as possible. Okay. Right, I've changed my password on both of my accounts, like both of my good accounts. That'll like actually hurt me, like if I don't freaking enter my password. Boom. Oh, never mind. Good news, I have got any information today. Yeah, cool. Hold on, I really can't think about anything right now. I need to go change out all my crucial account information. Alright, well I've changed like both of my important accounts. Change password both of my important accounts. Change password both. Did the guy say anything else? He said, I leaked your password online. Oh god. It's fine, because I've changed my password now. I need to go change password to other accounts, though. I mean, I only really care about my Google accounts. I mean, I don't even use any more passwords for any more accounts. I use everything with my Google accounts now. So there's like barely anything that I've got to change and I'll think about it. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain, Mr. Pancakes. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain, but you should have been watching the stream when it happened. I was like in the middle of freaking building my website as well, till this guy spams my goddamn password in the stream. But do not panic, everybody. I can change my password. It's the most simplest thing ever. If you act quick, right, your account won't get stolen. This is a quick tip for everyone. If that password gets leaked, you have to be quick. Your password has changed. Yeah. Switch to the other account. What will happen is he changed the password before. No, it's fine. If he changed my password before I could, I would be fricked. If he changed my password before I could, I'd be fricked. Yeah? But he didn't, which is very, very good, because if my account gets hacked, I'd be heartbroken. Right, I'm going to go enable 2FA right now. I'm going to go enable 2FA on the Spaceblade Live channel. YouTube Studio. Okay, I'm going to have to whip my phone out for this as well. Oh god, it takes so long to enable 2FA as well. And not really long, but it's like so annoying to do. Monetization. I'm doing it from the monetization tab. Two-step verification, turn on now. I'm sorry that's a black screen, everybody, because I'm having to show personal information, so... Wait, hold on. Hold on. But I know everything's going to be okay, but, like, I'm just scared. Like, I literally could not know, like... Hold on. I'm sure everything's going to be fine, though. I mean, at least I've got, like, both my accounts. Should I go create a video about this? Just alert everybody that my password's been leaked all over the internet. I mean, it's been changed, so, like, you know. I shouldn't make... Why? I mean, I might as well tell everyone what I'm going through. So people feel bad for me. No, not actually. That's not... Obviously not why I would want to do that. Two-step verification. Continue. It's like it's a big deal because you changed it, yeah. Exactly. Your password has changed less than an hour ago. Right, let's go to our passwords. I've just realised, is this password actually secure? I mean, it is, yeah. It like is, yeah. Because it is quite changed a lot. I'm just thinking, like, would it be quite easy to guess? I don't know. Two-step verification. Update password. Okay, now I just need to go to my phone. Right, well, it's not a big deal anymore, right? Some weird, creepy people out there. But this was my fault. I did put it on there. And I mean, there is loads of people out there that are going to hack your account as soon as your password's out there. As soon as your password is out there, you are absolutely screwed. But it is fine. It is totally fine because I've changed my password and I haven't got hacked yet. So, just calm down for a little bit now. Right. Where did I put my phone? It's over there, yeah. Oh no, my phone was about to die as well. That's not good at all. Yeah, but it already died. I want to be quick and put on this two-step verification. I know I've already got it on my Space Blade channel. So, I mean, I'm not worrying about that. I'm like scared because like I'm trying to think like, is there any accounts that I use with that same password that isn't a Google account? I mean, I do have a few Google accounts that use that password right now that I haven't changed, like a Space Blade Productions channel and stuff like that. But I will change that password soon. I mean, that's not my most important channel. I mean, I could re-upload all my music if it gets, like, gone. Like, I've only got, like, 100 views total on that channel. I mean, I've barely got anything. I've only just created it. So I'll just create another one. Bro, this is so scary because, like, this has never happened to me before. Like, my heart dropped when I showed that on the stream. But, like, I just brushed it off because, like, I wouldn't think it would have been a big deal. Like, I already privated it and there was one person that was watching. And if they even tried, I had two-step verification on one of my accounts anyways. So I was still, like, skeptical. Like, I was still thinking, like, even before I start this stream, like, it's been on my mind. Like this. It's been on my mind for ages. Because I'm like, you know, I should probably change those passwords, like, really quick. Like, it's been on my mind. So I've been wanting to do that since I ever accidentally leaked my password. I mean, I think the thing is that this guy thinks he's so cool that he's like spamming my password in the stream, as if he's like some type of hacker or something. I mean, you're not a hacker if you know someone's password that has already been shown by them. It was my fault. I will admit this was my fault. I'm not getting hacked technically, because if this guy logged into my account, I technically wouldn't be getting hacked because I leaked the password. Why stream black? I had to black out the stream because I had leaked my password on the other stream, right? And this guy started spamming my password in the chat. So now I'm going around changing all my passwords and everything for all of my accounts. My password literally got leaked in the goddamn chat. So now I'm going around trying to change all my passwords. So I've got the screen as black. So I do apologise, but I am going to change the screen soon once I've got all my security updated. Because this is like a really big issue. Alright, let's type in my phone number. Crap! Oh, why is it not charging? Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, I'm getting... Hold on. Okay, it's charging good. Okay, I don't know why I've got this open. Right. I need my laptop. I don't know what I'm going on here. Notification. Oh my god, I have to be quick because I haven't got 2FA on this account. Oh, my phone's like going do 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 do. Yeah, I think I can remember my phone number off by heart now. Oh, invalid number. Never mind. Never mind. Right, hold on. I have to do this quick. Boom, phone. Come on, quick, load up! My account's at bloody risk. Contacts. And let's go to me. There we go, come on, hurry up, haven't got all freaking day. Oh, that's why. Alright, it's charging. I had to add an extra 0. Processing phone number, please wait. Right, enter the code. Okay, I should get a message soon. Google, your code is... Oh, click on that. The hell? That's weird. Oh, can you stop it with the notifications, please? Oh, the notifications! Can't see jack shit on my phone. 2, 9, 5. The hell? Oh. Never mind. Next. It worked. 2-step verification. Now I've seen it works. Your two-step verification on your Google account. Spacefleet08@gmail.com. Turn on. Right, I've got 2-step verification now. Right, I wish you all good luck trying to get into my account now. I've changed it, and now I know not to accidentally press any buttons to show my password. And that button, by the way, was the show password button. God, I'm an idiot. I didn't even realise that I accidentally pressed it. I accidentally pressed it. I was looking down at my laptop trying to navigate, and then I realised that my password was freaking leaked, and I was like, shit. I was like, I'm gonna have to go change a bunch of accounts' password. But the thing is, most of my accounts are hooked up with Google accounts, so I don't have to worry, to be honest, because most of my shit is with Google. So. Okay. Right, let's add the screen back. I do apologise for everything, everybody. I really did not realise. I knew I should have changed that password quick. Okay. Now I can actually get back to what I was freaking doing. Until this little piece of shit interrupted me by spamming my password in the goddamn chat. Right. There we go. Right, now we can actually get back to coding now, and what we're bloody doing. Hold on. I've just realised, hold on. I just realised something. I need to go delete this code. Hold on. Oh yeah, never mind. Control C. Delete. Refresh page. It's going to make me sign in now, because it's just realised I've changed my password, so I'm going to have to sign in. And don't worry this time, I'm not going to press freaking show password. I mean, I don't know how I clicked it. As if I just hovered over it and accidentally clicked. It's hard to explain, it's so weird, but... Oh, I didn't have to sign in. Oh well. Likes. I think this is the page, isn't it? Nope, it's not. Which page was it? Oh my god, I don't even know. I forgot what page it was, everybody. I've actually just forgot the page. Are you good at Pixel 2D? I mean, I'm alright. I mean, I can draw, yeah. So, technically, yeah. I mean, I guess I can, but, I could try. I mean, just don't expect me to be the best. I might be able to be good, but... I don't really know, but I have done stuff like that before. Use profile data all. But I don't even know what page it was. What am I doing? Why did I just go back to the YouTube video to see what page he was on? User statuses all. Yes, that was it. I knew it bloody was. User status all. And then my code. Yep, there's my code. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, first, we have to remove all this bullshit. Well, actually, we only have to delete this here. Boom. Right. Hopefully, this system does work. If you have time, you can download Pixel and design characters for the game. I mean, I have kind of designed characters before, because I made like a Flappy Bird game that actually failed, because like, I was doing the code, but I was getting like loads of errors, like saying like there was like errors in the code, yet there weren't, because I definitely did do it right. I had made like a Flappy game before, and I designed like little tubes, like little Mario tubes. You know what you get in like Mario, like in the game Mario, like the little green tubes like that. Yeah, I designed like little green tubes, and then I had like this character, this red character with a face, so I can design like pretty good characters. I mean, you'll have to see how good I am. I mean, you do realise that I was only going to do this all just the website. Yeah, by the way, I have a question. Okay. I have a question. Before I do the website, you're going to have to tell me what you want on it. Like, you're going to have to tell me, like, what you want in. I mean, like I said, like, I did have some ideas that I did tell you. But before the day comes, email me. Email me what you want it to be. Like what you want to have. What type of website it's got to be. Like, because maybe, like, I could add, like, a download button for the game. Like, the game, if you send me a copy of the game, I can add it as, like, a download button, and when someone presses download, it downloads the game, a copy of the game, so they can open up the game and play it. So if you send me the game, I'll do, like, a bit of design, then I'll send you the pictures over of the pixel design. I'm most likely going to use Paint, because it's really simple. And you got to tell me what the game's like. Like, you got to send me some footage over of the game. You got to send me at least, like, a file copy of the game, so I know how to play it. And then just tell me, like, basically, if you haven't made, like, any pixel art for characters, yeah? If you haven't made any pixel art, like, any art for it, because you're obviously asking me to do it, replace, like, the texture, right? Just have the texture as, like, maybe a square saying placeholder, and then that's where I'll design it. Just email everything over before I do it. You did say on Fridays, didn't you? I mean, you still didn't even reply to what I said. When I said, why does it have to be always, like, one day every 2 weeks on a Friday? I mean, why can't I just start now? It should basically be a newsletter website, because the game is going to be released on Windows 10 macOS. Right, yeah. Right, okay. So, do you want me to add, like, a thing where, like, there's a download button? If you send me a copy of the game, I can make it so people can download it. And then if you want news, you're going to have to tell me, like, what news it's going to be. You're going to have to send me screenshots of the game. So, let's say there's a new release of the game. Like, I don't know, 1.5 release. You know, like, Minecraft and stuff. You know, like, Minecraft. Like, right now, we've got 1.19 coming out soon, yeah? And then they're obviously going to add, like, pictures of, like, what's coming in the update, right? If you want in stuff like that, you send me pictures of what's in the update, right? Also, I'm going to have to, like, play the game for a bit and get used to it. And get used to how to play it and play the new updates. It should redirect them to the download site of the device. For the device. Why can't it just be the exact copy of the game? Why don't you just make it like the exact copy of it? Because if you want in it to be another website, then you're going to have to like buy another domain. And if you want to connect to the domain, you're going to have to upgrade. But the thing is, though, because I'm creating the website, like, on my own account, I would just probably create another account. But, like, if I'm creating the website on my own account, I'm going to have to upgrade and pay for the upgrade so I can actually add the domain. Because as you can see, it'll upgrade premium to get more. Get a free domain and connect your site. Remove Wixad. Connect Google Analytics and etc. There's loads of things, yeah? So I don't really know how that's going to work. Unless if you're wanting to pay for it, you would have to send me, like, the amount of money over. And then I could buy the, you know, the premium. So I can connect it. But, you know, you just do whatever you want. Just tell me what to do and I'll do it. So you're wanting, like, a news, like, thingy. So you'll just, like I said, just send me, like, over updates of the game. Send me a copy of the game. I'm on Windows 10, so I need, like, a Windows 10 copy. Because we will get revenue if we upload to Steam and Google Play Store. Right, well, but the thing is, if you're going to want it on PC as well, right, we can add it to Steam if you want to, but, like, you can have the thing, if you make the game free, but then have ads on it, like, create ads, so make it so, I don't know, like, in a level, let's say if you die or something like that, I have no clue what this game is about, no clue at all, so I do not know what this is about, but when let's say, like you said, to design 2D art, so I'm guessing it's some type of 2D game. Let's say, like, when you die or something like that, then make it so it displays ads, so we get revenue with the ads, yeah? Instead of actually making it so you have to buy the game, because it'd be way more complicated. If we just make the game free, have one download button, so anyone can download it, because we have a copy of the game, I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter whether someone's on, like, Linux, Mac, or Windows. Because if it's the same, it should still download. I don't really understand that. Like, when there's websites that ask, like, oh, what platform you're on, and then you download specific. It's hard to explain, but if it's like different platforms, it's basically a survival zombie apocalypse in the game. Right. Okay. Well, you're going to have to send me a copy of the game so I can play it. So I can actually get to know the game and how it functions. So I know what I'm doing. So I can get used to things, and then you're gonna have to, what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say now. I forgot what I was gonna really say because I was reading your message. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, on the website, if you send me 3 different copies, so the Windows one, then the Linux and the Mac one, I can connect those different files to different buttons. So I can have, like, 3 buttons, one for download for Windows, download for Linux, and download for Mac. And then obviously whatever, like, platform people's on, they can press the download button and then install the game. We're also going to need, like, a setup installer, so we need a setup thing. Like, what is it called? So we can actually, like, download the game. It's hard to explain, but I think you've heard of them before. Okay, I need to get back to this, so.
We see the like function is added, so the onClick function is added, which means when this button is clicked, the following happens. So the rest of this code is carried out. What does the rest of this code say? Well, it says wixdata.insert likes. So the name of your database, your likes database, goes here. My database name is likes, so I added likes here. Here, whatever the name of your likes database, the one with your likes reference field, that's what goes right here. So it says insert in likes, so when this button is clicked, insert, so insert whatever they're liking into, and then this is where you put, mine is liked content. If we go back to our database, what this is right here is, it's the name of this field. It's the name of your reference field. You can find out the field name by clicking these 3 little dots, manage field, and then you can see field key. Whatever this
Like content, properties, field key likes. Right.
field key is the same line of writing. It's the same key that has to go in right here. Again, mine was like.
I think that was, wasn't it? It was called likes, I swear. I think it was. Here we go. Properties. Likes, here it is.
Content. And then you make sure that yours corresponds. Again, you may have a different field name there. Just make sure it's changed to accurately represent your field name. And then it says $W, and then it's whatever the next part, this section right here, is the data set on this page. So whatever this data set is. I have mine set to use. User statuses. Now it's not this right here, not this white words. It's the ID. So just like our elements, we have to highlight this and then change the ID. Whatever the ID of your data set is on this page,
User statuses.
is what has to go right here. And in this data set, as mentioned, we want it's pulling from the user statuses collection. So we have that there, we ID it, so whatever that ID name is, we put it right here, hashtag, and then whatever the ID name is, it says get
User statuses right there.
current item. So whatever item is displayed on this page is what's supposed to be put into that reference field. So it inserts this current item into the reference field. After that, you're going to see $W, and then it says show. So again, that's where that hidden on load full heart comes into play now. So once this like button is clicked, what will happen is that current button, that full heart, will then show. So .show. Again, mine was named content liked. Whatever your button name was is what you have to put right here. Again, mine was content liked, and that's my full heart. So that'll show. And then what I have is this like, the open heart, we want to hide. So we don't want the open heart anymore there. We want put right here. Again, mine was content liked, and that's my full heart. So that'll show.
So, yo, what's up? My password just got freaking leaked. I just had to change it. I was so annoyed. Take my breath away. We could be forever. No. Take my breath away. Alright, let's move that back on there. Back over here. I can't move anything. What the frick? Click that and move it over. Boom. it comes to my attention that, hold on, never mind. Always.
So, and then what I have is this like, the open heart, we want to hide. So we don't want the open heart anymore there. We want that button to be hidden because it is now liked content. And we want to accurately represent that it's been liked with that full heart. And that's exactly what the code states. That's exactly how it works. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and test it out with you guys to show you how that process works. If you have any questions regarding the code, please don't hesitate to write a comment down below. Better yet, go into the Wix Training Academy community tab and write a question in the forum, and both myself and our Wix Training Academy community can help you out with that if you have any questions regarding it. So guys, that's how you add the liking system. Now I'm going to test it for you to make sure it works. If we have the same error I've been having, I will do a second part of it, but let's check it out and see.
Publish. Right. Take my breath away. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Take my breath away. Dum 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 do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, I know. Status page, please. Come on. Why is it not? Why? Hold on. You just. Oh, it's here. It's here. Okay, let's click it. It does nothing! What? No, it does nothing. It does nothing. No, it does nothing. No, no, it does nothing. It does nothing. No. Oh my god, I hate it when I have to do bug fixes. Oh my god. Why? Why? Oh, it's this. Boom! Now it's published. Please tell me I can press this goddamn like button. Please, please. Don't do this to me, please. Through the page. Please don't. I really don't want to be sat here for hours making sure my code is right. Please. Yes! It worked! Yes! Can I click it again? No, I can't. But it worked! It turned red! It worked! Yes! Yes! Let's go. Let's go. Let's actually go. Yes! Let's get a yes in the chat. Yes. That is amazing. But they're all turning red though. All of them here are turning red. And it's probably back in the tutorial.
So I'll click publish there. We'll go to view site. Okay. So you can see I've already logged in. And we're going to go to this test page. This is our user statuses page. Or excuse me, we're going to go to our statuses page. I'm going to click view full status. This will bring us to our dynamic page. Okay, so we're now on our dynamic page. So if I click this like button, what should happen is, bingo. So our content has now been liked, and we can go check our likes, my likes page to make sure it has been added. So if we go to
Wait. Does it actually... Hold on. Likes. Oh no. Oh no.
go to my account, we will see likes. We'll click that. There we go. Look at that. Just like that, our content has been added. This is our liked content, just like we added in the my liked page when we were designing it out. So this is our repeater right here, and the proper liked content.
When it involves code, it's the worst thing to fix. When it involves code. Let's fix this. I think I might know why, because there was already an error earlier. It's hard to explain, but yeah. I can't even be bothered to fix this anymore. Like, what's the point of like having a page where like you can see how many likes you have? I mean, there's like no point, is there? Like, well, not how many you have, but to know, like, how many you've liked. There's no point, is there? There's really no point. I mean, I'm not even going to bother. There's no point, because, like, there is no way I'm sitting here all goddamn night. Well, I kind of know. I think I kind of know why, because there was, like, a little, thing. Like, this tutorial that I'm following, it's, like, outdated. It's from, like, 2018. It's 2021, so it all changes. So, on this dataset, on the likes dataset, not on the dataset, no. When I connect this here, look, let me show you. Right, hold on. Let's click on the text. Let's drop down the code bar here. And let's press connect data. Look at this. This field type was changed and is no longer supported. Please use a field that is supported or change it back. So I'm screwed. I don't need this page. I don't really need it. I don't need it.
Has been added to the page. So just like that, that's how a liking system is built.
Right, so how do people know how many likes that post has?
And how it's added to the My Likes page. Guys, if this video helped you out, drop a like down below. Don't forget to comment your feedback on this video and also what you'd like to see upcoming in the series. And hit that subscribe button and turn those bell notifications on so you don't miss the rest of the parts of this series. You're going to want to watch them. This is just the beginning of our more advanced Wix code stuff, and I just showed you how to add a liking system to your website, so that's pretty awesome. To access that code, again, guys, go to WixTrainingAcademy.com, click that Academy button to register for free. If you're already registered, click login and go to code snippets on the dashboard page to access that code. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope it helped you out, and I'm glad you've enjoyed so far. Thank you guys again. Catch you on tomorrow. You want to build search functions into your social
Having
network
a
with
site
Wix, so join me on
search.
today's video where we'll start part 1 of building up.
Beautiful. A site search. We can now search for users on the site when we have finished this. And I bet you I'll be up all night following this 15-minute goddamn tutorial just because there'll be one tiny little error that I'll find out at 4 o'clock in the bloody morning. That was a little bloody button that I didn't press or something like that. Okay, let's add a site search.
Search function, so that way you can search throughout your social network and search for members, search for content, all of that fantastic search type functions. Now, before we get into the actual meat of today's video, I've done a whole series here on building a social network in Wix. Click the card above if you have not caught up on all the videos in the series. They all go in order and help you in synchrony build a social network in Wix. So you want to make sure you're all caught up with that. So click that if you have not caught up yet. If you have caught up, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss an upload over the next couple of days, as I've been releasing a daily part of building a social network in Wix. Also hit that hit that like button if you enjoyed the content so far, and comment down below if you have any feedback, input that you'd like to see for the next few videos of building a social network in Wix. Down below in the comments so that.
Wait, how many parts are there? Mate, you don't want to know. Look, when I scroll and look at all these episodes. All these episodes. And we're on this episode right here. The thing is though, right, I bet there's going to be features that this guy's not going to add. For free. It's actually 24. Not too bad. That's a lot of episodes though. I mean, we're building a whole social network here, so. Right, I want to add some stuff. I want to update the website. I have an update to add. Yeah, I'm nowhere near done. I know that. I'm aware that I'm nowhere near done. Right, let's load up this lightbox. Which one is it? Here we go. Composer status. Hold on a minute. I have a bit of a problem. Hold on. We have a bit of a problem here. Preview. Hold on. Just gonna preview the site. Log out. Oh no. Back to editor. Oh no. Oh no. Right, this better work. This better work. I mean, does it matter? Hold on. We'll find out. We'll find out if it works or not. Boom. And then we should get that to pop up. Composer status. Let's change this. Make a post. Boom. Take my breath away. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is not good. That's not good. This is not good. Edit connection settings. There we go. Right. Profile. Come on. No. Profile. No. Profile picture. Come on. Come on. No. Yeah, we're looking for something like this, look. This right here. Okay, we're gonna upload media. Hold on. PFP. There we go. This is what we want right here. This right here is what we want. That's what I was looking for. Save image as. Save. Take my breath. Load computer. Choose image. Perfect. Crop. Shit. What have I done? What the? There? What? Excuse me? It just deleted the whole thing altogether. Well, there we go. I know it's a little bit broken right now. Why won't it? I'm kind of having an issue right now. Boom. What? Why can't I move it? Apply. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. 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 Right, now to link everything. User profile data. Profile picture image. I think that's it. If I'm not mistaken. Yes! Right, I fixed it. I think I fixed it. Right. Publish. Let's see. If I don't have an account, this should show up as different. Done. Wait, hold on. Let's just add the text. Hold on. Let's just add another piece of text. You'll understand it in a second once I've edited this piece of text. Because you're probably thinking, what do you need this text for? You'll see. If you don't have an account, it won't post. There we go, that's all I wanted to do. Let's just make this a little bit smaller. If I actually can. Why is it not? Edit the text. There we go. If you don't have an account, it won't post. Publish. Sorry, I'm not reading chat, by the way. I apologise. I'm just trying to sort this out. Let's get rid of all these pages here. Let's log out. Okay, let's upload a post. It should. Yes! Yes! I did it. Let's go. Let's go. Look, it has this little profile picture right here. The default one. But then, obviously, I can't do anything when I try to post because I don't have an account yet. Let's press login again. Nope. Nope. Hold on. We have to log in this way. No, not register. God. You log in. Become a user. That's the login button. What if I press register? Right, no, because I didn't press that. Oh. Hold on. We're kind of having a little bit of a problem right here that we're going to have to fix again. Can't wait to do that. Why is that gone up there? I'm confused. Why is that there? Hold on. Upload a post. We've got a bit of a problem right now. I want to move this. No, I want to move it. Here we go. Boom. Take my breath away. There we go. I don't want to make it the size of this though. So I'm going to add this. And then I want to make it smaller. There we go. Okay, right now you can only really add images, and I don't think I'm gonna make it so you can add videos yet. Just because it's gonna it's hard to explain, but there we go. Now let's just publish it. There we go. Okay, hold on. Now I need to go to the home page and go freaking fix that login bit. Login. Login. Apparently not. I pressed the login. No, I pressed. Oh. This website confuses me. Chew. It just does. It confuses me. No, I want to click that. What's it doing up here then? Okay, I'm so confused right now. Oh my god, why? Don't ask me that. Not yet. No. No. Oh my god, does it look like I'm ready to play Minecraft? Oh Oh my god, why? Oh, it's there. Yes, it's fixed now. It's weird that. Okay, edit the text. Stop spamming. God. Looking forward to timing you out. Content. Live. Live control room. Could you type of people just annoy me? Just piss me off. User in timeout. I just can't stand you people. Take my breath away. Do 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 do. Clearly it's not this one. Done. Boom. Publish. Ain't me. I know it's not you. I can see who's typing in chat. View site. Boom. Log in. Okay, we have a login button, so we press login. Okay, got a login button. We press register. Become a user now. Okay, it's definitely working. It's working. Login. Login. If I'm not mistaken, it should also show up as our profile picture when we want to upload a post. Yes, it does. Good. But yet, this is still up here. But you can just click off of it, but sure, whatever. Let's just get this thing done.
You want to build search functions into your social network in Wix? If so, join me on today's video where we'll start part 1 of building out the search function. So hit that subscribe, or excuse me, hit that like button if you enjoyed the content so far, and comment down below if you have any feedback, input that you'd like to see for the next few videos of building a social network in Wix. Down below in the comments, so that way I can go ahead and curate the content to those specific needs. So let's jump into today's video, guys. WixTrainingAcademy.com. Click that Academy button, free sign up to all the Wix training content, tons of webinars, masterminds, all that good stuff. Go check it out. So yesterday, today, we actually built out we built out, the liking system. So we built out they're all running through together now. So we built out the liking system. So what we're going to do today to prep our actual search functions that we're going to build out is we're going to build a page. In fact, it's going to be our search results page that displays the profiles. So in this portion of it, I'm going to show you how to build out the search function that will display all the profiles, so all the users.
Right, I think I might delete the like button thing. Because first, it's very bugged out. I mean, I'm not releasing it yet. I'm going to release it like through halfway of 2022. So if there's any bugs, I'll fix it by then. I mean, that's not coming until another freaking half a year yet. So
we'll have the ability to search for them. However, this can be applied to anything on your social network as long as you search those databases and you use the code accordingly. Now, in this portion, again, this is part 1 of building out, I'm going to show you just the page design, just the search results dynamic page design. And tomorrow, I'm going to show you actually the physical code and how to make the function happen to search for those users. So let's jump into creating our page. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to close that right now. We're just going to go up here to menus and pages. And I'm going to go ahead and, you know what, we'll actually pull out our little tree here. And we're going to create a, we'll go static. So we'll go add a page. And then we'll just call this search results. Okay.
yeah, I'm going to do exactly what he freaking does. Just so our code doesn't bug out. Because this does have code in it. So, add a page. Add a blank page. A new page is going to be called search. I've spelt that right? Yep, I have. Oh my god. Search results. Done. Boom.
Okay guys, so we're going to build out the search results page. So, just like in our statuses page, we want the user to be able to see multiple different profiles. So if they come to this page, it'll have preloaded profiles on there, and then we'll actually build out the physical search bar so people can search specific users from that point. So what we're going to do is we're going to build out that page. So we need to go back to add, and then we have to add a repeater because there's going to be multiple items in here for multiple profiles. So we're going to go down to lists and grids, and we're going to find one that'll better suit the whole concept of profiles. So we know we'll want like images. This would be a good one right here. Let me just continue to cycle through, pick one I want. Okay, so this one would not be a bad choice right here. So we can go.
Because then it'll have the bio in it as well, and what the name is. That's good.
Are you a web creator? Get ready to up your WordPress game with Elementor, an award-winning website builder. Elementor is the leading website builder which allows you to create WordPress websites visually without writing a single line of code. Intuitively edit and customize your websites in real time, just the way you want. Over 90 powerful built-in widgets empower you to create WordPress websites more fluidly. Every website you create with Elementor is fully responsive, so it looks amazing on any device. Instantly add any website element you need, including fully customizable and powerful built-in forms, brilliant pop-ups implementation, and gorgeous, comprehensive product pages. Yep, Elementor has all the good stuff already built in. Don't.
And we will pull this as our repeater. So I'll drag this out, and then you can see it resizes like that. That's perfect. Now what we have to do, so we have our repeater, so this is where our profiles are actually going to be stored. This is where they're going to be housed. You guys can design the repeater how you want it to be, so however you want your profiles to be presented on this search page is how you're going to want to make your repeater styled. But if you like this style, then feel free to go with this style, because the reason I chose this is because we'll have the profile image here, so the profile picture, we'll have the user's profile name here, the user's @ name here, and then we'll have the user's bio there. It was just easy, it was already set up, it was already built out, and all we'd really have to do is change the design and the scheme and the colors if we really wanted to change it up from where it's currently at. So, with that said, now we have to actually go ahead and connect all those things. But in order for us to connect those features from the user profiles database, we need a data set. So we need to go back to add, and then we have to scroll down to database, and then click data set.
Okay, let's go add a data set. Boom. Content manager. Data set.
Once we pull our data set in here, we have to double click on it, and we have to choose what collection it's pulling from. So we're showing user profiles. So we're going to pull from the user profile data.
Oh, with 3 people watching. Nice. Okay. Let's change that.
Database. And then we're going to leave the option on.
Hold on a sec. We have 2 of them. Doesn't matter.
On read only, and you can choose how many profiles you want to display on the search result page. For now, I'm just going to say 25, and then I'll show you in a separate part of this series, pagination, so how to add, like, pages 1 through 25 and be able to go in between pages and that type of thing. I'm not going to show that in this one.
Okay, yeah, I'm probably going to do like 30 to display like 30 or 50. Because obviously we don't want to lag out the page. So you have to go to another page to do it. So, number of items to display, 30.
Specifically, I'm going to do an overall pagination one because we're going to need that on several parts of the social network. So that'll be a part of the series by itself. So we add 25. Okay, so now we've got our data set on our page here. What we have to do now is we actually have to connect our data to the corresponding part of the repeater. So this picture here, we want this to be connected. So we're going to click connect to data. And we want this to connect to, we want it connected to the user.
What? What do you mean, What? Can I help you, sir? I don't appreciate that you spammed in my chat, by the way. That pissed me off a lot. User profile data set. How many? I need to go. Sorry, I was just grinding a game, got bored, and yeah. We don't do that, do you? Do that next time. Your account will be permanently banned. Do 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 do. And I had no way to communicate, so it sounds odd. What? You sound odd. I have no clue what you're talking about. Dataset 2.
Profile dataset, and the image source will connect to profile picture. So this will
Profile picture.
connect to the user's profile picture. And then we want the next part.
Now it's showing a shit ton of users. Like, there's just duplicates of me. But sure. Naughty. No. Delete. That is bullshit. Why did it delete that? That is bullshit. Text.
The user profile dataset, and then we want this connected to full name.
Delete.
We'll click that.
This should. Okay, there we go. It's connecting as hi. Hello. Hello, Daddy Space Blade. Would you like a big, fat, lovely piece of shit? I don't know what I'm saying. Just to be around about 15. I'll do 16, we'll do.
And you'll see it's connected with the green, connected to data. Then we want the app name right here, so we'll connect to data, and then we'll choose handle, because that's the app name. And then finally, we'll connect to data, and we want this.
You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Like a record, baby, right round.
To be the profile bio, because
Oh no, I've done something wrong. Never mind, actually. What? What? There we go. No? I'm so confused. Lol. I need help. Why is this not connecting? This is bullshit. I need help. I need help. This should connect to my profile and put my bio here. I need help. Oh, don't tell me. Oh, don't tell me this. Hold on. What? Oh. All right. Right. But I don't understand because why. I don't know. Hold on. That's why it's not connected. Yes! Yes. Now it says hi. That's my bio. My bio is hi on my account. Yes! I did it. Let's go. And then obviously on all the other accounts it's just random shit. And then I don't know why that's so weird. I'm so confused.
as that's for their bio. So now we've got a good little display of the user profiles right here. This is a nice feature. It's going to be nice, especially when we go to search it. So now if we click save.
Introducing Speechelo, the most natural sounding text-to-speech software on the market. Hey, I'm Joey, and I'm one of the 30 AI voices from Speechelo. You listened to this video until now and you probably couldn't tell I'm not a real human voice.
You have to pay for it. Never mind. Skip ad.
And then we go preview. We've got nothing on there right now because we have no profiles in the database. But if I went back, or if we click publish, and we take a peek at this one, let me add a page up here so that way we can actually access it. Because, of course, one thing we have not done on the social network yet is add a menu. So we're creating our own scrappy menu. We'll just call this search, not like that. Search. There we go. Okay.
Can't just add the search button at the top of the screen. That would be more professional, wouldn't it? Have the search button. Look. Have the search button like right here, so you can search the users right here, and then it comes up like a drop-down bar of like all the users that you're searching up for. I think that would actually make sense a little bit, but you know, I'm not complaining. So, like, yeah, more. There's a page called More. Okay, preview. What is More? Can somebody tell me what More is? Well, no one knows here, but like, oh, all right. Then you get wait. Can you click on it? Oh, you can't. I thought you would be able to. I thought you'd be able to click on it and go to the profile, but nah. Yay nah. Yay nah. Yay nah. Yay nah. Ooh, 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 yeah, nah, ooh, ooh. Let's go back. And let's move our login button. No, I can't do that, apparently. Okay, let's try again. Let's go over here. Move this. I said move this. Oh, God. Why is it not working? Back to editor. There we go. Now I'll scroll up and move this over. But actually, I'm going to shove it right here. Just so this can be expanded out. Publish. This better not say more on it. Reload the page. You spin me right round. Why is it saying more? I can't even click it. What? 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 Where? There we go. That's more like it. Now we can press the search results. Obviously, I don't want to call it search results. But obviously, that's what's we're gonna change this all when we release the site. This right here is going to be deleted. I don't even know why that's there. Manage menu. What happens if you click members? Oh. Following. There is actually no way. Never mind. Okay, we don't need this page. We really don't. Members. Hide from menu. Statuses page. You know, I'll fix all this later because it doesn't matter. Can I check this out now? No, sorry. But if you dare go to this website, because you can literally see it right at the top right here, look, this is this website right here. But if you dare, I'm not going to be very happy, so please don't. User profile data. User profile data. Home. Oh yeah. Can I check this out? Oh wait, I already read it, never mind.
So search right there. We're going to link this, and we're going to link it to search results page. All right, now if we click publish, we'll take a look at it in the publish look, see what we've got going here. We go to search. You can see we've got nothing on here. It's just the standard repeater. That's because there's no data physically connected to it right now. So that's the issue with it right now. There's no profiles in the database. So what we have to do is we actually physically have to add profiles in order to get it to show up here in our
How many people got watching? We have 2 people watching. Nice.
search results page. So again, what we're doing right now is we're prepping the search results. So we're creating a page that will feed back whatever the user's.
Right, hold on. I'll be right back. back. Hopefully everyone didn't leave. The stream? It didn't end. So this is 2 people watching. Are you still watching? Yeah, I said I was going AFK.
Searches for. So this is where the profiles are going to be stored. So the user's going to have the ability to search for profiles. So this repeater represents the profiles that will be housed in the user profile database. So when someone searches, which again we'll build out the physical search function of this part tomorrow. So when someone searches a phrase or searches someone's name, it'll pull based off the results and it'll display just like this with the profiles in this format, just like this. But we have no profiles to pull from right now. So if I go back here to the user profiles, user profile data, I will go ahead and add one in here. I'll just pull some random stuff real quick. Alright, we'll say that's the background. We'll pull this. This will be the profile image. So that pretty looking man right there. Full name, Michael Strauch. Candle, at Strauchy. Profile bio, CEO, entrepreneur. Oh, and you can't forget, guys, I'm a coffee enthusiast. It's not how you spell it. Enthusiast. Perfect. That's our profile bio. Profile location. I'm out here repping in Gilbert, Arizona right now. And then profile website. Well, let's head over to Handy Dandy Wish Training Academy. And then we'll add our website right there like that. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sync this to the live database. Copy these over to live. So now what should happen is because we have this page set up, the search results page should work now, at least adding one profile in there. Let's see. If not, we'll figure out the whole schema of it tomorrow when we actually get the search functions in. Okay. So let's figure out what's going on here.
Introducing Speechalo, the most natural sounding text-to-speech software on the market. Hey, I'm Joey, and I'm one of the 30 AI voices from Speechlo. You listen to this video.
Search result page. You guys get to work through this with me. Okay. So this shows user profile data, and it should be connected. Oh, why didn't this connect? Well, that could be a problem. That's connected. Okay. Well, we may have our issue here, guys. I don't know why it didn't stay connected there. So if you go through, you can see I determined that it did not stay connected. So those connections did not stay or maintain connected. Why? I don't know. That's connected. It's connected. Okay, let's give it a peek now. Oh no, that was weird. There we go. Okay, so now we got it. So our issue, guys, was that, and this is part of the process, if something's not showing up correctly, you got to make sure that, it's okay. You got to go back, debug it, figure out what's going on. I determined that when I went back into the editor that our connections did not successfully occur. So the connections from the data set to the actual physical data in the repeater did not work, which means if we created a search function, we would have had an issue there because the connections wouldn't have been made. So that's why we're doing this as one part in itself, getting the search results page done. So that way it's prepared for when we prepare our search function tomorrow. So I did create, if you guys remember correctly, I created a profile back when I showed you how to edit profile data in part 9, I believe. So it shows both of those profiles here. We've got a blank box here because there's 3 boxes here in the repeater that are preset, and we only have 2 profiles. But as soon as that a third profile is filled out, it'll start to fill in exactly as is, because that's how the repeater works. It shows 25 items. That's what we set it to. So that's how that works. And you can come in here, you can manage items, and you can see there's 3 items currently. And that's how that would work, and it would just be duplicated as you add more profiles, so that way you can search it. So guys, that is creating the search results page. That's literally what it is. So we prepped our search results page, so that way tomorrow it'll allow us to actually search that database and display the proper information, the proper profile right here. So I'm glad we got that set up. I'm glad we got that working. I'm glad you worked through it with me. If you guys enjoyed this, drop a like down below. Thank you guys so much for this whole 12 days of Christmas. Your support is outstanding. I've seen so many of you come out and tell me how big of a help this series is, which touches my heart like you wouldn't believe, because that's what I want. I want this content to be
you guys
extremely
still
valuable.
watching?
So if you do find it valuable, drop that like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if I've helped you out at all at any point in the series. Are you finally ready to learn how to finish the search function on your Wix website so you can now search for profiles throughout your social network? If so, join me on today's video as we complete the search function. Now guys, before we hop into that, if you have not caught up in our series on building a social network in Wix, the non-coding founders guide, the last part that I just did yesterday is an essential part and stepping stone to today's video. Are you ready to learn how to add a recent profiles feature to your profile itself in your new social network? If so, are
Okay,
you
at least
finally
I
ready
know
to learn
that's
how to
gonna
finish the
happen.
search function
Yeah.
on your Wix website so you can now search for profiles throughout your social network? If so, join me on today's video as we complete the search function. Now guys, before we hop into that, if you have not caught up in our series on building a social network in Wix, the non-coding founders guide, the last part that I just did yesterday is an essential part and stepping stone to today's video. So click the card above to watch that and also catch up on the rest of the series because it goes in a chronological order and it helps you build the entire social network from start to finish. So make sure you see those. If you have followed and you are caught up, guys, well, welcome to today's video. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed the series so far, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button right down below so you don't miss an episode of building a social network in Wix and non-coding founders guide. I'm releasing one new part each day up until Christmas as my Christmas present to you guys, and then you obviously don't want to miss ongoing Wix training content following the holidays. So guys,
Okay, so
with
the
that
next
said, the code
episode
for today's search function video
is
can
gonna
be
be,
found in wixtrainingacademy.com. You can click
Actually, like, having their, like, thing show up. It's hard to explain, but... So, you still watching? It's just 2 people watching, but I can't tell the people watching. So, can you guys, like, whoever's watching, type in chat if you're watching.
this Academy button to register completely free if you haven't registered already, or click login. It'll redirect you to your dashboard, and just click the code snippets tab under your profile icon, and that's where you can access the code from today's video. So without further ado, let's hop in. So bridging off of last video, we did our search results page. That's what we designed. That's what we built in. I'll go to that page right now so you can take a peek, just to jog your memory. We added our data set. We added the repeater. We connected our data to the actual physical database. So now our user profile pictures here, names here, handles here, bio is here, and all that has been connected. Now what we have to do is add the physical search bar, search icon, and the search code to perform the actual function itself. To do this, it's actually very easy. Just follow my steps. The code, although may look a little bit intimidating, is not at all. I'm going to walk you through it really easily, and you'll be like, just like that, you've got a new search function on your website. You can design it however you want. Now, we're going to go back to our homepage. For the purpose of today's video, I'm going to add the search bar to the homepage. Now, listen to this, though. If you'd like to add it on different pages, you'd use the same exact process, except you just have to make sure you add that search bar and search icon on the pages you'd like to utilize it, and also add the page code that we're going to use on those same pages, so that way it still functions properly. So first things first, I'm going to preface this by saying I've already added the code in here on the website, and I'm going to walk you through it to show you exactly how it works and make it as minorly intimidating as possible, because truly, it really is not, but I can understand some people sometimes get a little intimidated by code, which is completely understandable. It's not always the most relatable thing. It's like looking at a foreign language. So first things first, what we have to do is we have to analyze what we've got on this page. Again, the code can be found on Wix Training Academy. Click Academy to access the code. So first it says import local from Wix storage. This means it's searching the database, so it's pulling from the Wix storage, the local Wix storage in the database from the site. Then we're going to use the import Wix location, because after we search the database, we want to direct them to a search results page. So that's the second step of it. Once that happens, we have the function. So it says onReady function, and this is where the search button comes into play. Now what we have to do is actually add the elements, and I'll walk you through that second part of the code there. So now that we've got an understanding of the first part of the code, we have to add a search bar, right? We need something so people can search it, to type into so they can search. To do that, we're going to go to add, and just like someone would be filling out a user input form, we're going to go down to user input, and we're just going to pull one of these text inputs up here. I'm going to use this one right here. I don't know why, I kind of just like the look of it. Once we've got that added, we're going to press settings. We're going to change the input type to text, because people are going to be searching with text, and then we're going to change the placeholder text to search.
No.
Are you a web creator? Get ready to up your WordPress game with Elementor, an award-winning website builder. Elementor is the leading website builder which allows you to create WordPress websites visually without writing a single line of code. Intuitively edit and customize your websites in real time, just the way you want. Over 90 powerful built-in widgets empower you to create WordPress websites more fluidly. Every website you create with Elementor is fully responsive, so it looks amazing on any device. Instantly add any website element you need, including fully customizable and powerful built-in forms, brilliant pop-ups implementation, and gorgeous comprehensive product pages. Yep, Elementor has all the good stuff already built in. Don't feel like starting from scratch? Choose from over 90 exclusive kits created to help you launch websites faster. Join millions of web creators and start building with Elementor. Create websites. Design your future. Elementor. Try it now for free.
After we've done that, if we open our code back up, we'll see that we need to ID, if you wanted to use the same exact IDs as I do, we need to change our ID of this search bar to search bar. Now you can change yours to whatever you want, but just make sure it correlates so you know that this search bar right here is this part in the code where mine says search bar. So you can name it whatever you like, your ID.
Hold on.
but just realize that. I'm going to change my ID over here in the properties panel.
Yo, is anyone actually still watching? I've seen 2 people watching, but no one's typed anything. I know someone's watching, but like, I just want to know who it is. Oh, hello. I've said that like multiple times. Delete. See. Okay, hold on. I should probably just move this to you know, Control C, delete, search results. Oh, wait, no mind. Oh, this is the search results. Never mind. Control V. Boom.
Search capital B bar, because that second word, first letter, is always capital in JavaScript. And if we click back onto our code, we'll see this red error disappear. Ready? Bingo. Because now it recognizes that this search bar is what the code is speaking of. So now that we've got that in there, we see search word, local.set item search word. That's completely fine. So that whole process right there is fine, because that's taking whatever you write in here and it's classifying it as search words. So you don't have to change that at all. But what does have to change is we see that this is an export function search button. So we actually need to add a search button now that someone will click to actually perform the search. So in order to do that, what we have to do is, because I don't know about you, but personally, I want to add like a search icon. You can add whatever button your heart desires, but I want mine to look like a physical search icon. So to do that, I'm going to go into Add, and then I'm going to go down to Vector Art. I'm going to click More Icons, and I'm going to use Wix's internal search function to search for search. And then I personally like this search icon right here. I think it looks...
I like this one right here. That one there's good. That search one there's good. So I'm probably going to use that one. Ah, sorry, I was just getting too freaking thingy into this. Right, what do we want this to be? So we're going for a Search. There we go, we have a little search button now.
Looks the most like a search button. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to go ahead and shrink it down a little bit. I'm going to pull it right here. I'm going to shrink it even a little bit more. I'm going to put it at the end of the line there so it looks like a search function.
Oh. 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 No, 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 no. Don't, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. There we go, that looks like a proper search button, doesn't it? You search for a profile, and then you press the search button. Let's probably move that over here.
And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the code, and we can see right here, export on function search button. So my ID for this little icon has to be search button. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this right here and show you how to actually add the on-click function here. So I'm going to delete the current on-click function and show you how to do it. So now that we've got that, again, you guys can use whatever ID you want for this. Just make sure it corresponds to the code. I'm going to use my search button, again, capital B for that second word, first letter. And now what we have to do is we have to add our on-click function. So we're going to click this little plus button next to on-click and then hit enter.
Oh.
Just make sure it corresponds. Click function here.
What are you talking about? I have no clue what you're talking about, buddy. I would never quit this. What? He means you don't take breaks from doing this or... I do. I always do. I'm only sat here for like a few hours doing it. It's work, isn't it? I'm only sat here for like a few hours. And then I'll end up quitting like after like 3 hours. I'm taking a break right now. I don't understand now. This is not boring for me. This is fun. I like this. This is fun to me. I mean, yeah, it's work, but it's fun. I'm building my social network for my community. And then when it's done, I can go on my YouTube channel and say to all these like 700 people, oh, go check out my website, a community, and talk to people. That's fun. I'm achieving something that I want to do for my channel. Yeah, it's work, and like it is work, right? I do understand it's work, and it's very annoying to do. It's like having a job. Right, when you think about it, imagine that you're working for a company. Yeah, you're working for a company. I'm also going to be working for a company that, what's his name? Bandy something games. I'm going to be making a website for him. I'm going to be making this website. I'm excited to do that. I'm actually excited to do that. Cause that's what I love doing that. I love making websites. I love coding. I love making games. This is what I like to do. So this here is fun for me. When you're working for a company, let's say you're working for a clothes shop, yeah? Right? And your shift is supposed to be like 12 hours, yet you're there for like 24 hours, which is, by the way, I wouldn't really recommend working there for like 24 hours a freaking day. But you get what I mean, right? Let's say your shift is like 1 hour. But you want to work for like 3 hours. Do you find it fun? You find it fun when customers come into your store and like, oh, can I buy this piece of clothing, please? It's literally exactly the same for me. I find this fun. It's really stressful. Yeah, stressful. It gets me mad. I get confused. It hurts my brain. But it's not fun if it's not like that. The fun part is the fact that I've got to debunk everything. I've got to debug everything. I've got to make sure stuff is working properly. I've got to design, make sure it's perfect. That's the fun about this. I've always loved making websites. And I'm going to do it for a job. I mean, I'm getting paid for it. Because I'm going to be working with that, oh yeah, it was Bandico Games. I'm going to be working for them. Do you already make... No, I don't. That's why I'm trying to get a job. I'm trying to get a job so I can make money, so I can fund towards this website that I'm making right now. Right. I'm going to make a link so everyone in the chat can see the website. Hold on a sec. I will be right back, stream. Just bear with me a second. Right, I'm back to stream. What I was going to say was, basically what I'm doing is I'm like making websites for people, yeah? I'm gonna make websites for people, right? For like random people, yeah? And I'm gonna get paid for it, right? And I'm gonna do that so I can fund towards this website. So I can connect my domain, then also buy a domain for the website as well. Which is I'm really looking forward to. And yes, I will add the link in the chat. Now please ignore what the link says because it's weird. Yes, I understand. But when I get a domain, this is all going to change. BRB, okay. Right, let's get back to work.
So I'm going to delete the current onClick function and show you how to do it. So now that we've got that, again, you guys can use whatever ID you want for this. Just make sure it corresponds to the code. I'm going to use my search button, again, capital B for that second word, first letter. And now what we have to do is we have to add our onClick function. So we're going to click this little plus button next to onClick and then hit enter, and the function has been added. Now, I copy and pasted the code from internal in the search function, and I'm just going to add that back in there.
You have to be serious. That kind of sauce, what do you mean? What sauce? Okay, hold on, we have to actually scroll up to this. Control C.
Just like that. And we already went over this code, except for this. This last part of it here, I'm going to drop this little bracket down there. The last part of this code that is a key essential.
There we go. Did it.
Central part is this Wix location .2. You can see mine says / search dash results. This is where part 1 in yesterday's video comes into play. So part 1, we built out our search results page. So in order for me to get this page extension, I have to go back to menu and pages, go to search results, and I have to click on the page SEO and social. When I click on that, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see what's the page URL. And you can see it says /
Dynamic pages. Nope, that's not it. Member pages. Nope. Main pages, search results. SEO basics. See SEO basics.
/ search dash results. So for anyone wondering where I got that page extension, it always starts with a / and then it's whatever this text is right here. So mine is search dash results. That's our search results page. So we're going to go back into our home page, and we're going to see it always starts with a / and then it's whatever this text is right here. So mine is search dash results. That's our search results page. So we're going to go back into our home page, and we're going to see that we got it added. / dash results. That's our search results page. So we're going to go back into our home page.
Hold on.
And we're going to see that we've got it added. /search-results. Your pages may differ depending on what you name them. You can change your URL in that SEO settings on that page like we just did, but I find it easiest just to copy the name that's in there, and it's /search-results. So now we've got a functioning search bar and search button on this page. However, we're not finished yet. We now have to make sure our search results page is ready to accept the physical search itself. So now our home page is set. So this page is done, it's set. We're going to go ahead and save it.
With the University of London, you can now earn your BSc online from wherever you are. Choose from BSc programs in management, economics, data science, and more.
Should we just click it and just see what happens?
And then what I'm going to...
I'm actually kind of curious. Let's have a look. Yo, is anyone still watching or not? Let's go to search results. Oh, you're like the only person watching. Just publish it. And this should change up here. Does it change? Yes, it does. It does indeed. Obviously, it's not going to do anything. The search bar is clearly not going to do anything, because you all know that. But let's go get this done.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to group these items. I'm just going to simply click to the left of it and scroll over with my cursor, and then group elements, and then I'm going to
group elements. Okay, now I've got to go look up something else. How to Let's go look that up because it's outdated.
Hello everyone, Computer MD of Gilbert here, and in today's video I wanted to show you guys how to group elements in Wix. This will make your life so much easier when it comes to moving things and
I tried to get my hacker friend boy to show your website on Twitch. It has like 300k for what? Right. Make sure that they check out my YouTube channel first. I'm not releasing this website yet, but I do plan to release it soon, right? So I don't tell him yet, right? Don't tell him yet, okay? Do not tell him yet, but just tell him to tell his viewers to check out my channel, and then I'll upload a video soon, right, about the website when it's all finished, yeah, so they can visit it. Because it's like a Spaceblade community website. So this is not just any random social media website. This is the Spaceblade community. So go tell his viewers to go have a look at a bit of my content and whatever, right? And if they like it, then they can go to the website. But, right, tell your hacker friend to say like, just tell him, right, to say like he's gonna be releasing a community website for his channel, and then go visit it. He's got 300k on Twitch. How the frick does he have 300k on Twitch? Man's lucky. You did say he was a hacker though, so what if he just hacked the followers? I mean, that is possible. You can do that. Even I can do it. It's hard though, very, very hard. I mean, I can do it with YouTube. I can literally get a sub bot that I can code myself. I can even get a like bot, a dislike bot, do any of that. But obviously I'm not going to.
copy and pasting elements in your Wix website. And 2, it's just a cool feature to know to enhance your knowledge and keep learning more with Wix. First, for anyone who celebrated, I wanted to say Happy Thanksgiving last week. The reason I didn't have really many videos up last week was due to me being gone for Thanksgiving break. It was a nice little break for sure, but now I'm here, finals, gonna hit hard now for the next 3 weeks. But before we get into that, guys, make sure you come here and check out wixmywebsite.com. Sign up for these weekly Wix tips, guys. I've been helping people so much, and I love to help people through this email list and just all my clients. It's such a cool experience. So go ahead, sign up for those. If you guys are interested in learning more about my services, I do offer full build web design, consulting, website reviews, anything regarding your Wix website, I can help you with. I'm your dude. So you could check out my services page and go ahead and you could even book a free consultation with me if you're interested in my web design, or you could pay for consulting calls and book consulting calls, anything like that. So make sure you check that out. And other than that, guys, let me show you how to group elements here in Wix. Sorry, I went a little brain dead there. So let me just go. What page can we go to? I'll go to my podcast page. And I will add 2 elements on here. I'll add let's do a box. I'll add
Hold on. Oh, there we go. All that for bloody nothing. I just realised that.
Control-C, copy it, and now we're going to go to our search results page. I'm now going to press Control-V or Command-V. I'm going to get rid of this search button because in the code, I don't have it coded into where they're searching again. I have it to where whatever they searched is now going to be displayed in that search bar. So their search term will be displayed on that search bar. So now we've got our search bar in here. We've got our repeaters all set. We have to now open the code on this page. For anyone that's going to Wix Training Academy, one says initial search page. In this case, that was the home page. And then the second one says search results page, and both of them have the code lined out. So if you're following along with that, that's how you know which one is which. The search results page code is the search results page code. So now we're going to open the search results page code, and we're going to take a peek at it here. You can see there's a lot going on in this code. This is where I don't want you to be intimidated. So just like the previous part with the home page, we see import local from Wix storage, searching the local storage, so searching the local databases, import Wix data, importing from the Wix database, and now we have an onReady function. So this was from the same thing that we had in our first part of the video here, which was the actual physical function that came through. So it says var same word equals local get item search word. So remember from our homepage code it said search word. That's the word that was searched, okay? So it's saying get that word, and then it says the value here. So I'm going to show you how this works. If we click back on the code, we see our search bar. So it says search bar dot value and same word. So what that means is it's going to display whatever word you searched right here in the search bar, okay? And then it also says search bar dot placeholder, and once again, it's the same word. So it's going to show that same word that's been searched right here. So that way your user understands what they searched, and then it'll display the results. I'll show you the second part of it down here. The next part of it says hashtag profile search. So now this is a key essential part right here. This profile search is going to perform a function. Our profile search is our data. Data set. So again, you guys can name your data set on your search results page whatever you want. Key point here, I don't mean the name of the data set, I mean the ID. So whatever your ID is. Each data set, if you open it, has a data set name, right? That's not what we're using here. We're using the data set ID. The JavaScript code corresponds with IDs. So that's what we're using. I named mine profile search. You can name your ID, your data set on your search results page, whatever you want. Just understand when you get to this profile search in my code, that's the data set that we're talking about. And it's going to perform a function, and that function is search. And what that means is it's going to search the data set, which means it's going to search the database that's corresponding to that data set. That's why we use the data set. The data set's the connection point between the two. And then it says search, and we just leave that code as is. If we scroll down our code, the next thing we'll see is export function, search button, click, search. So this, you don't have to change anything on it. This is carrying over from the homepage. This is saying when that search button that we added on the homepage is clicked, it's going to perform a search function, just like we had set on the homepage. That's just carrying over to the search results page. You keep that code as is. Now, if we get down a little bit, we see a few more items. It says function search. So this is where the actual physical search function comes into play. This is the juicy meat of it all, guys. This is where you really got to pay attention. So it says wixdata.query. So essentially what this is saying is which database is this searching? And this is where we'll put the database name that your user profile information is stored that it's searching. In my case, if we open our little tree here, my user profile database is called user profile data. So I went ahead and added that as my database in the code. That's the name of the database. That's what you're going to put here. So whatever database you're searching, you need to put the name of that.
I'm so confused right now. Oh.
Right here, right after .query. After that, you're going to see a couple different lines. You're going to see .contains. This .contains means when it searches the database, if any of the following criteria that you searched is named in that, all it has to do is contain a word. So it doesn't have to be an exact match. You likely want your search to be like this, so that way someone searching doesn't literally have to search exactly the right name or the right bio that is stored in the database. You'll see .contains full name. So this is the name. I'm going to pause for a second. Keep following here, guys. I know this is a lot. But if we go to it, contains .full name. Full name, if we go to our database, is the field key for our full name in the database. So if I go on this,
Okay, there's still one person watching.
This manage field, our field key is full name. So essentially, if we go back to the search results page here, this is saying if whatever, so contains full name, search bar dot value. So whatever is searched in here, if it contains anything in this full name category, say we type in Michael, which I will show you in the video, that it populates these results because Michael is part of the full name in that user profile data. Scrolling down, we'll see or.wix query. Again, this is the database that houses your user profile information. So we're going to add another part of the code here. We don't want them to just be able to search by full name. We want them to also be able to search by bio. I set bio in this case. You can add as many of these .ors as you want. In this case, I did full name and bio is what they could search by. So we want it to contain again. We don't want it to have to be an exact replication of someone's bio. We want it to contain any of the words you search for. So once again, we're querying the user profile database. Mine is called user profile data. So make sure when it comes to this point, you type in the name of that database that you're searching right here. .contains. If we went back to my data, database here, the field name of bio is.
Plans inevitably change. With roadmaps in Jira software, quickly adapt and adjust to changing priorities.
Bio. So that's the field key for the profile bio in the database. So if we go back to the search results page, it says .contains, and it's searching the bio field in the database, search bar .value. So whatever searched in here, if it contains anything, contains any of the words, letters, relating to anything in the bio field of the database, it'll populate it in the search results. And then the final part says here .find. So it's saying find it in the database. So if it finds any of these following criterion in the database, it then says .bin. This means after it finds it, it says and then it says results. So the res means results in repeater 1. So this $W in repeater 1 means it's going to display the results in repeater 1. Repeater 1 is the ID of this repeater that I have here. You can see the ID repeater. Repeater 1. So whatever your repeater name or repeater ID name is on your search results page is what's going to go right here. And it says .data results items. So it shows the data that's been pulled based off of the search function right here. And again, my ID name for this repeater is repeater 1. And then we scroll down, and that is the end of the code. That's it. That's how you add the search function. I know I went line by line in the code, and that may be a little confusing and a little bit intimidating. I understand, but it's not all that hard. If you follow this video exactly as I just showed you, you'll have a search function on your website in no time. But other than that, guys, that is how you add a search function, and now I'm going to show you how it actually performs really quick. If we go here, we're going to press publish. We've got everything set. We're going to go to view site. Now, I'm just going to type in here my name because I know I have a profile in the database. So I'm just going to type in Michael. Bingo! Just like that. It populates Michael. I have 2 profiles in there. I have
Hello. It doesn't work, does it? It doesn't work. No.
Be a little confusing and a little bit intimidating, I understand, but it's not all that function right here. And again,
Hold on. So
the field name of bio is bio. So that's the field key for the profile bio in the database. So if we go back to the search results page, it says .contains, and it's searching the bio field in the database, search bar .values. That it populates these results because Michael is part of. So if I go on this, manage field, actually the right name or the right bio, that criteria that you code as is. Now, on the home page, just the same when that search button that we added on the home page is clicked, it's going to perform a search function, just like we had set on the home page. That's just carrying over to the search results page. You keep that code as is. Now, if we get down a little bit, and same word. So what that means is it's going to display whatever word you searched right here in the search bar, okay? And then it also says search bar .placeholder, and once again, it's the same word. So it's going to show that same word that's been searched right here. So that way your user understands what they searched, and then it'll display the results. I'll show you the second part of it down here. The next part of it says hashtag profile search. So now this is a key essential part right here. This profile search is going to perform a function. Our profile search is our data set. So again, you guys can name your data set on your search results page whatever you want. Key point here, I don't mean the name of the data set, I mean the ID. So whatever your ID is. Each data set, if you open it, has a data set name, right? That's not what we're using here. We're using the data set ID. The JavaScript code corresponds with IDs. So that's what we're using. I named mine profile search. You can name your ID, your data set on your search results page, whatever you want. Just understand when you get to this profile search in my code, that's the data set that we're talking about. And it's going to perform a function. And that function is search. And what that means is it's going to search the data set, which means it's going to search the database that's corresponding to that data set. That's why we use the data set. The data set's the connection point between the two. And then it says search. And we just leave that code as is. If we scroll down our code, the next thing we'll see is export function search button, click search. So this you don't have to change anything on it. This is carrying over from the home page. Just the same when that search button that we added on the home page is clicked, it's going to perform a search function, just like we had set on the home page. That's just carrying over to the search results page. You keep that code as is. Now, if we get down a little bit, we see a few more items. It says function search. So this is where the actual physical search function comes into play. This is the juicy meat of it all, guys. This is where you really got to pay attention. So it says wixdata.query. So essentially what this is saying is which database is this searching? And this is where we'll put the database name that your user profile information is stored that it's searching. In my case, if we open our little tree here, my user profile database is called user profile data. So I went ahead and added that as my database in the code. That's the name of the database. That's what you're going to put here. So whatever database you're searching, you need to put the name of that right here, right after .query. After that, you're going to see a couple different lines. You're going to see .contains. This dot contains means when it searches the database, if any of the following criteria that you searched is named in that, all it has to do is contain a word. So it doesn't have to be an exact match. You likely want your search to be like this, so that way someone searching doesn't literally have to search exactly the right name or the right bio that is stored in the database. You'll see dot contains full name. So this is the name. I'm going to pause for a second. Keep following here, guys. I know this is a lot. But if we go to it, contains dot full name. Full name, if we go to our database, is the field key
Hold on, I might play some
for our full
Minecraft in a
name
minute.
in the database.
Hold
So if
on.
I go on this, manage field,
I'll
our
go in
field
that
key is full
world.
name. So essentially, we go back to the search results page here. This is saying if whatever, so contains full name, search bar dot
Actually,
value. So whatever is searched in here,
now
if it
think
contains
about it.
anything in this full name category, say we type in Michael.
I'm
which I
gonna
will
go
show
on
you in the video,
Survival
that
Simulator,
can
'cause I
populate
want you
these
to play
results
it.
because Michael is part of the full name in that user.
Because I can't do this anymore. This is really annoying me. There's like so many errors, so I'm probably gonna end the stream and play Survival Simulator. Yeah, I'll go on Minecraft right now. And I'll start streaming. I'm gonna end this one and then I'm gonna start streaming. Right, I'll see you